Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is the fourth part of this video. And I thought I'd go ahead and include this one in too. If you haven't watched the first 1, 2, and 3, you might want to back up and watch them. But if you wanted to cut these out of walnut as your border, and then have the bigger letters maple, and then have the family and friends, or friends and family, a different colored wood, mahogany, or something that would be a contrasting wood than the other two, then you need to cut these apart of your waste wood. But you can see it's all together. It's a curve on layer one. Well, you need to go to arrange and break curve apart. Now each one of these is individual. So what I would do, and my nudge factor distance should still be set on 3 inches, I want to get all the big letters out of the way. So I'm going to hold down the alternate key, and I'm going to lasso just touching the big letters, and I've grabbed them, and I'm going to move them up. Now I'm going to hold down the alternate key and grab all the bottom of the big letters and move them up. So now I have all the big letters that you could take and put in your laser and cut them out of the maple. And then, of course, move these off your laser bed and cut that out. And then take this out of the way, and then whatever you've decided for your other piece, you could cut out these letters, because these are contoured to fit in there really tight. Now you don't have to cut it. This board would be 10 inches long and it's only less than 2 inches tall. You don't have to cut all that like that. You could do this and move this down, and then cut this out of a piece that's, less than 4 and less than 6 inches. And you could actually, if you just had a smaller piece, you could actually move letters around. Let's get this one closer to the top of the laser bed. Let's just see how we can get this thing even tighter and save you a little wood. I didn't get the F. Then you could move this up. So now we've reduced, and you could move it around quite a bit, as long as they're not touching. So now we've taken a piece of wood that's only a little bit over 5 and 3.5 inches big. So you could have 3 different species of wood, and this would be a really cool sign. If you could imagine, let's just do it real quick. Let's color fill this in with a brown. Let's color fill the other letters with a, let's call this it's going to be the maple. Of course, maple's not this yellow, but you could get the idea what it would look like. And then let's color fill. This is a good way to send a customer a file to tell them what it's going to kind of look like. And then we'll just go with a different colored wood, and that actually right there probably needs to be yellow too. But this would be really cool. 3 different species of wood. And let me go ahead and finish this. Now I missed that part down there, so we'll do another yellow. Whoop. See, I got off my line, but all you have to do is back up. Now we need to go back and get the yellow. And we need to fill in that right there and that right there. That's what your plaque is basically going to look like if this was 3 different species of wood. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.